From the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
This morning, Republic accessed 4 unseen videos of Sushant Singh Rajput. 4 videos, all with his family and from the year 2020. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to see these videos tonight. They completely demolish the lies and the Bollywood depression theories which the Bollywood mafia pushed so hard for the last 60 days. So should this Bollywood mafia also be made responsible in the investigation? I think so. Let's debate.
Nobody who knew Sushant Singh Rajput believes he could have committed suicide.
बिल्कुल भी वो डिप्रेस नहीं थे और काफ़ी सच में एक्टिव थे वो।
सर का जो डेथ हुआ है वो सुसाइड नहीं है, एक्चुअली मर्डर ही है।
वो नेगेटिव हो ही नहीं सकता था और हमें कभी भी बात से ऐसा लगा नहीं, कभी भी नहीं लगा कि वो नेगेटिव में है।
Nobody believes Sushant was depressed, and these 4 videos from 2020 end the debate. Watch this. A smiling Sushant as he celebrated his last birthday with family this year.
एक मिनट एक बार बता, दो बार तो निकले थे, 2 बार निकले थे ना?
एक भी नहीं मारी आप।
2 बार निकले थे और एक को मारे थे उठा के, सीधे मारे थे।
मैं तो आज आपको लास्ट में सपोर्ट करने लगा था कि यार
कौन सा सपोर्ट?
In video 2, a cheerful Sushant Singh Rajput seen on a road trip with his family. He's behind the wheels.
Hi Gulshan.
इस लड़की का नाम जानता है यार?
नहीं गुलशन इसने लिखवा रखा है।
In video 3, Sushant is seen enjoying cricket with his sister Meetu, as other sisters watch on and film him enjoying the time with family.
सुशांत तुम करो।
Oh! Video 4 from 2020. Watch closely how Sushant is spending time with his family immersed in devotion. Seen with his father, sisters, and all videos are from 2020. So why did Riya's PR machinery and the Maharashtra government lie about a non-existent relationship between Sushant and his family?
कितने बार सुशांत अपने पिता को मिलने गया था पटना में। आप देखिए उतना आप प्यार, जो आपको शौक, सदमा, ये सब शब्द मैंने देखे हैं उनके। मुझे संवेदना है पिता के बारे में, लेकिन बहुत सी बातें ऐसी है जो सच अब सामने आएगा।
Will the Bollywood cabal that said he was depressed be punished now? Should those who pushed the depression theory be probed and punished? Will the Sonia Sena apologize to the family after seeing these videos? Should the CBI identify and expose the depression theory lobby? Which Bollywood PR company was employed or used to push these lies? Let's debate.
Ankit Acharya is a former personal assistant of Sushant Singh Rajput. He's in the blue t-shirt on the top right of your screen. Ganesh Hiwarkar is a choreographer and a close friend of Sushant Singh Rajput. He's at the bottom left of your screen in the white t-shirt. I want to start by talking to them. Ganesh, I want to start with you. And let's quickly line up Ankit's audio as well. Ganesh, when did you last speak to or interact with Sushant?
in the month of September, when the Chichore film released 2019, on that time we discussed about the film, how we'll promote the film and each and everything. He is very in talking with the very positive in mood, and he says so many things about the direction and other things. He is planning to do the planning to do other films in very creative or something like. And I never think about that depression theory was a very wrong thing, because Sushant, in this birth, Sushant can't be depressed for 1 second.
Then why did everybody come out and say that, you know, he was depressed? He was suicidal. Why did Mahesh Bhatt, Mukesh Bhatt say he will end up like Parveen Babi? Why did apparently somebody called Suhrita who works with Mahesh Bhatt say that Mahesh Bhatt had told Riya Chakrabarti to leave him or she will sink with him? Why were all these theories being put out from?
Yeah,
why did Karan Johar write about depression being the reason?
There are two types of people who state the Sushant is depression. One, they never meet Sushant. They just decide on one theory that there is a one behind. I know that there is a one behind script writer is there. That script writer is very illogical person, because that depression theory will never work out in the Sushant's life. And the second person who know the Sushant, but they are in some film industry, or I think there is some problem. They have some problem with Sushant's life, or they have some problem with Sushant's success. That's why they said that he is in depression mood.
Did Sandeep Singh call you?
Hello?
Did Sandeep Singh call you?
Sandeep Singh, no, I never called you Sandeep Singh.
Mahesh Shetty?
Mahesh Shetty, no, I'm in touch with the Mahesh Shetty on the years before.
No, is somebody from his team?
Somebody
Try and
from
remember. Somebody from his team?
I'm talking with the people who is connected with the Sushant. The last
No,
time.
somebody from his team?
Somebody from his team. Yeah, there are many persons in the team, like something Ankit Acharya or the other person. You can talk with them. They never will decide that the depression theory was a
No. What did he tell you about what happened that night?
What happened that night? Obviously, this is the happen in that night, or I think so 5 or 6 people will going there, because they know very well Sushant can't be physically. Sushant was a very strong person, so they need 5 to 6 people to kill Sushant, because it's not possible for 1 or 2 persons.
No, you say 5 to 6 people went there means, what are you talking about? Who told you this?
I talked with some person who is working in Sushant's friends, and they told me that the theory is connected with the Disha's and Sushant, the same.
So 5 to 6 people went to his house. You have heard this from where?
13th June in the night.
Who told you? Who's your source?
The person who is connected with the Sushant's friend, close friend. That person is working with the Sushant's friend.
Somebody who is working with Sushant's friend told you?
Yeah.
So somebody who is working with Sandeep Singh?
That I told you or no personally, but now it will be
somebody working with Sandeep Singh.
Yes, somebody working with the Sandeep Singh. That person is my friend. He is coming in my home yesterday and many times before. Then I listened that Sushant's theory, depression theory, and all.
So this person got to know from Sandeep, or is working with Sandeep. So that's how the information came.
The film was Narendra Modi.
No. That was the film Sandeep made. I'm saying the person who is your source is working with Sandeep Singh, so got to know from Sandeep Singh about what happened on 13th night.
He told me Sandeep Singh says that, and this happened with the Sushant and Disha, and so he told me. So I know that.
Sandeep Singh said to your friend who works with him that this is connected with what happened to Disha.
Yeah.
Which matches
The
what many other...
The problem is that Sushant tells Sandeep Singh, and this I will organize the one media and open that, reveal the case, because Sushant is like something very Sushant never be डरता नहीं था वो अपने दोस्तों के लिए
ना आप मुझे तो उन्होंने खुलकर मतलब आप ये कह रहे हैं कि सुशांत ने संदीप सिंह को बताया कि वो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करने वाले इसको लेकर
राइट
वो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करने वाले थे
यस बिकॉज वो आउट ऑफ द वे जाके मदद करता था he help the person who is friend out of the way he will help I am the best example for that
और ये बात संदीप सिंह ने खुद कही आपके सोर्स को जो उनके साथ काम करते हैं
यस
मगर संदीप सिंह तो वो ये बात खुद से मानते नहीं है उनको पूछा जाए वो तो कहते हैं मैं जानता ही नहीं हूँ कुछ
अभी तो ये तो कैंपेन हो गया ना इतना बड़ा कैंपेन हो गया अब तो किसी को भी कुछ भी बोलना तो ऑब्वियसली वो डरेगा या फिर नहीं बोलेगा या फिर ऑब्वियसली बड़े लोग इन्वॉल्व हैं तो कोई भी यही चाहेगा कि मैं इस केस से बाहर रहूं
तो उन्होंने कहा कि 13 तारीख को कई लोग उनके घर गए थे
राइट
ये संदीप ने कहा आपके दोस्त को
राइट
और क्या कहा
वही दिशा का उसको पता लग गया था सुशांत ने यही बात बताई संदीप सिंह को देन बस संदीप सिंह ने वही कल कॉल कर दिया बाकी लोगों को देन दे विल ट्राई टू फिनिश सुशांत
आप ये बात सीबीआई के सामने बोलने को तैयार हैं
हाँ व्हाई नॉट
अब तक आपने यह बात किसको कही
अब तक ये बात मैंने किसी को कही नहीं बट नाउ इट्स अ कैंपेन ये जंग सिर्फ सुशांत और उसके फैमिली की ये पूरे इंडिया की जंग है ये मैटर में अगर हम लोग आगे नहीं आएंगे तो ऐसे तो इंसाफ खत्म हो जाएगा
गणेश जी देखिए फॉर ऑल आवर व्यूअर्स एक मिनट फॉर ऑल आवर व्यूअर्स जस्ट लुक एट दिस व्यूअर्स this is what the Mumbai police is doing.
Mumbai police.
This is what the Mumbai police is doing. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this, Nilotpal? People are willing to speak. They're not even being asked. But before I go to you, Nilotpal, I would like to go to Ankit Acharya. Okay. Surendra Chauhan, don't shout at me. Nothing is going to come out of it. I will not stop. Surendra Chauhan, you can keep shouting for the next 1 hour. Ankit. You were former personal assistant to Sushant, so that means you worked very closely with him. आप काफ़ी उनके करीबी थे उनके साथ क्लोजली काम करते थे उसके बारे में ज़रा बताइए कब तक कितनी देर तक और कितनी देर का एक्सपीरियंस था उनके साथ काम करने का
देखिए मैं तो 2017 से 2019 तक मैं था उनके साथ जुलाई
जी बोलिए सुनाई दे रहा है
इको साउंड आ रहा मुझे
कोई बात आप बोलिए धीरे बोलिए
हाँ सर मैं उनके बाद फिर उनको मतलब उनके साथ रहता था शूटिंग से लेकर मतलब सेट से लेकर पूरा घर तक उनका देखभाल करता था एंड उनका जो पर्सनल से पर्सनल चीज़ है जैसे किताब बुक्स पढ़ना एंड उनका लैपटॉप ये सब उनको मतलब बहुत मतलब ये सब पढ़ने लिखने में बहुत शौक था एंड उनका जो मैं 4 बजे उनके साथ मतलब 4 बजे उनको उठाता था मैं एंड मैं सुबह मतलब उनके साथ सोता था मैं रात को और सुबह 4 बजे मैं उनको उठाता था उठाने के बाद उनको टेलीस्कोप जो टेलीस्कोप है वो जुपिटर सैटर्न मून ये सब देखते रहते थे मुझे भी दिखाते थे एंड वो महामृत्युंजय मंत्र का मतलब वो जाप भी सुनते थे मैं लगा के देता था उनको मतलब बहुत मतलब भोलेनाथ के बहुत बड़े भक्त थे एंड उनको मतलब कॉफ़ी देना एंड उनको मतलब एप्पल काट के देना ये सब करता था एंड उनका जो टेनिस कोर्ट था, टेनिस कोर्ट में भी मुझे लेके जाते थे। वो अपने गाड़ी चलाते थे, मैं बगल में बैठे बैठे उनको मतलब खिलाते खिलाते वो गाना गाते हुए जाते थे। उनको एकदम डिप्रेस टाइप के थे नहीं थे एकदम, मतलब ऐसा, मतलब मैं उनका मतलब छोटा भाई, वो मेरे बड़े भाई, मतलब ऐसा उनको फैमिली ऐसे रखते थे, एकदम सदस्य मेंबर की तरह। ओके, मतलब ये मतलब ऐसा था कि एकदम अपना जो फैमिली जैसा होता है ना वैसे टाइप को मुझे रखते थे, अपना भाई जैसा मानते थे मुझे। मतलब ऐसे डिप्रेस तो नहीं थे, जब मैं था तो ऐसे डिप्रेस नहीं थे, कोई दवाई खाना ये सब नहीं। हाँ, दवाई खाते थे वो नॉर्मल प्रोटीन शेक, ये सब जिम में जो होते प्रोटीन शेक एंड ये सब कैल्शियम की दवाई ये सब खाते रहते थे। डिप्रेशन एकदम नहीं था। जब मैं था तो एकदम अच्छा से उनको मतलब सुखी से देखना चाहता था। माँ के बारे में पोएम लिखते थे डायरी में, अगले शेड्यूल में क्या होने वाला है और क्या नहीं होने वाला, जैसे शूटिंग में कब जाना है और आपको प्रमोशन में कब जाना है, मीटिंग में कब जाना है, सब शेड्यूल अगले शेड्यूल में लिख देते थे और रेडी करके उनको मैं बैग में मतलब रख देता, उनको याद दिलाता था मैं। ये सब चलता रहता था।
अंकित, आपको लगता है कि उनको गला घोट के उनको मारा गया, आपको क्यों लगता है?
देखिए, मैं उनको करीब से जानता हूँ, सबसे पहला बड़ा बात। उनको मतलब वो कभी सुसाइड नहीं कर सकते हैं। ये उनको कोई मतलब दूसरे को ऐसे रोकते हैं करने के लिए, मतलब ऐसा मत करो अपने, मतलब ऐसा मत करो, कभी अपना स्ट्रगल से आगे बढ़ो, ये सब करने से क्या फ़ायदा। ये तो फिर अपने माँ बाप को ही तकलीफ होगी, ये खुद हम लोग को समझाते हुए आ रहे हैं। तो ऐसा आदमी, ऐसा समझाते हुए आदमी मतलब क्यों करेंगे ऐसा, अपने आप क्यों करेंगे सुसाइड। बट जब मैं अपने तरफ से इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया, अपने तरफ से, अब मेरे पास कम से कम उनके 4-5 फ़ोटो भी हैं डेड बॉडी के, मैं अपने तरफ से मतलब किया मैंने इन्वेस्टिगेशन, तो उनका जो ये शेप जो है, उनका जो मार्क है, मतलब यू मार्क का नहीं, अगर फांसी लटकाते तो यू मार्क का आता है। ओके, जब अगर कोई गला घोट के पीछे से मारता तो ओ मार्क का आता है। अब मैंने गौर से देखा उनका मतलब जो मतलब गला का जो मार्क है उनका, मतलब फज का डॉग से एकदम मिलता जुलता, दावा किया मैंने, फज का डॉग से मिलता जुलता है।
फज मान यानी कि उनके डॉग का
उनको, बट मेरा घुमाना काम नहीं है, पहले घुमाता था। यस, प्रिय डॉग, जो उनके प्रिय डॉग थे, तो उनका जो मैं घुमाता था, बेल्ट भी कभी धो देता था, तो वो बेल्ट का निशान हमको याद है कि वो बेल्ट का निशान जो गोल सा बक्कल है उनका साइड में भी लगा हुआ है। ठीक है, अगर मान लीजिए वो सुसाइड करते हैं, उदाहरण के तौर पे, एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे, अगर वो सुसाइड करते हैं तो सुसाइड करने में मतलब उनका जो ग्रीन कपड़ा, वो ग्रीन कपड़ा से मिलता नहीं है। ठीक है, अगर वो सुसाइड करते हैं तो जो उनके नौकर थे उधर, तो उनको नौकर को कम से कम उसको क्यों बॉडी को छूने का अधिकार नहीं है, जब तक पुलिस नहीं आ जाती तब उनको छूने का अधिकार नहीं है, पंखे से लटकना देना चाहिए था। बट क्यों ऐसा क्यों किया, उनको क्यों उतारा गया। अगर ये भी, और एक बात और निकलती है कि मैं उनको 15-15 मिनट में चेक करने जाता था कि क्या कर रहे हैं, उनको कभी कभी मतलब अकेले फील होने नहीं देता था मैं। 15-15 मिनट में मैं दरवाज़ा खोल के चले जाता था, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, चाहे वो बाथरूम जाए, चाहे नहाने जाए, मैं 15-15, मेरा परमिशन था कि मैं अंदर जाके उनको देखूं क्या उनको चाहिए, क्या तकलीफ़ है। बट इन लोग जो नौकर है, इन लोग को मालूम चलना चाहिए, स्टाफ जो थे इन लोग को मालूम चलना चाहिए कि 15-15 मिनट में जाना चाहिए उनको देखभाल, मतलब क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है उनका। एंड मैं रहता था तो ऐसा करता था। और 14 जून को 10 बजे से लेकर 2 बजे तक के बीच में उन लोग क्यों नहीं गए, अब भैया के उधर क्यों नहीं गए, और दरवाज़ा क्यों तोड़ा नहीं गया, चाबी को क्यों बुलाया गया। दरवाज़ा तोड़ना चाहिए ना, कोई अगर चलिए दरवाज़ा तोड़ देते हैं, नया बन जाता दरवाज़ा, भले उनका जान तो बच जाता, कुछ भी हो सकता था। और उनका जब ऐसा हो रही थी, उनको फर्ज उनके साथ क्यों नहीं था, फर्ज किधर था।
जी, फर्ज किधर था आपके पास, क्या आप जानते हैं दीपेश को?
दीपेश को तो मैं जानता नहीं हूँ, बट एक बार मैं शायद मिला उनसे, क्योंकि जब मैं गांव से जब मैं आया था तो एक बार फिर वो कहाँ ट्रिप पे चले गए थे, मुझे मालूम नहीं कौन से ट्रिप पे गए थे। फिर मैं उनसे थोड़ा मिला, 5 मिनट के लिए मिला, कि मैं उनसे पूछा आपका नाम क्या, तो दीपेश बोल रहा था। तो उन्होंने बोला कि मैडम ने सब स्टाफ को बाहर, मतलब जो पुराने स्टाफ है बाहर निकाल दिए, न्यू स्टाफ को हायर किए। तो मैंने बोला ऐसा क्यों, तो उन्होंने पूछा मालूम नहीं। वो मैडम सर से जाके पूछा, मैडम पूछे कौन मैडम, तो कुछ बोला नहीं उन्होंने, फिर चल दिया। तो मैंने फ़ोन लगाया सर को, तो उनका स्विच ऑफ फ़ोन आ रहा था। फिर मैंने बाद में भी लगाया, उनका फ़ोन स्विच ऑफ आ रहा था।
गणेश और अंकित, अगर आप लोगों को सीबीआई के सामने अपनी बात रखनी पड़े, आप दोनों तैयार हैं, ये बड़ी बात है। गणेश, आप कुछ और कहना चाहते हैं?
एकदम सर, ऑफ कोर्स सर, तैयार है।
सर मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा, इंस्टेड ऑफ ये लोग दे पीपल जो इन्होंने डिप्रेशन वाला थ्योरी जो लिखा है। हेलो
जी जी, मैं सुन पा रहा हूं गणेश जी, बोलिए।
जी, सबसे पहले तो अर्नव सर आपको 101,000 करोड़ों सैल्यूट है आपको सर। पहली बात, बहुत थैंक यू सो मच, आप हमारी तरफ से, उनके घर वालों की तरफ से, पूरे इंडिया की तरफ से।
थैंक यू।
आप जो यू आर द रियल हीरो नाउ।
थैंक यू।
एंड सर सेकंड थिंग इज दैट ये जो अभी हम लोग आ रहे हैं, तो अगर सीबीआई के सामने जाने को तैयार हूँ, ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो जानते हैं, क्यों नहीं जाना चाहते सीबीआई के सामने? ऐसा क्या उनको डर है?
मुझे गणेश फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू, आपने जो बात कही। मैं अपना काम कर रहा हूँ, ये मेरा कर्तव्य है, इट्स माय ड्यूटी। बट आई हमारे पास अभी तक जितनी इन्वेस्टिगेशन हुई है उसमें जितने टेस्टिमनीज, एटलीस्ट 5 लोग, आप 5वें नंबर में हैं, जिन्होंने कहा है आज कि सुशांत ने संदीप को फोन किया, सुशांत के पास दिशा से फोन आई, उसके बाद सुशांत ने ये बात संदीप से शेयर की, मगर संदीप मेरे प्रोग्राम पर आके मुझे उन्होंने कहा कि मैं तो 1 साल से टच में नहीं था इनके साथ। जबकि ये माना कि महेश शेट्टी, वो कह रहे महेश शेट्टी और हम सबसे क्लोज फ्रेंड थे सुशांत के। अगर क्लोज फ्रेंड थे तो 13 तारीख और 14 तारीख के बीच रात के 1 बजे, यानी कि सुबह 1 AM को जब सुशांत ने महेश शेट्टी को फोन किया तो महेश शेट्टी ने फोन क्यों नहीं उठाई? और अगले दिन महेश शेट्टी और संदीप सिंह पहले कैसे पहुंच गए? और संदीप सिंह ने मुझे कहा कि वो घर में था, मगर एक और वीडियो में संदीप सिंह के बारे में कांग्रेस के पूर्व MP ने कहा कि वो उनके साथ था। और आप मुझे कह रहे कि संदीप सिंह के पास काम करने वाले व्यक्ति, क्लोजली काम करने वाले व्यक्ति ने आपको कहा है कि सुशांत ने संदीप को फोन करके दिशा के बारे में बताया। यह बहुत बड़ी बात है, क्योंकि अगर पूरे चीज को इन्वेस्टिगेट करना है तो देखिए इसमें क्या होता है कि ये मुंबई पुलिस ने फिजिकल डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ एविडेंस की है वहां पे, मतलब जो सबूत है क्राइम स्पॉट पे उसको बिल्कुल साफ कर दिया। मगर ये लोगों को तो साफ नहीं कर पाएंगे ना, लोग तो हैं ना बोलने के लिए, टेस्टिमनीज तो हजारों हैं सवाल पूछने के लिए।
ये लोग इंडिया को थोड़ी साफ कर पाएंगे, इंडिया के लोगों को साफ कर देंगे क्या? इतने लोग बोल रहे हैं, क्या उनको साफ कर देंगे? Obviously there is a one big name behind this. That's why this happened.
Yes, I have no doubt.
छोटा आदमी होता तो अब तक तो जेल के अंदर डाल चुके होते हो लोग। Obviously there is a big name and not one. There is a many big names.
Of course, otherwise why is Mumbai police working so hard to help Riya? पंकज दुबे भी हमारे साथ हैं आज। पंकज दुबे is Sushant Singh Rajput's friend who's a writer and an author. Pankaj, in the diary pages accessed by us, there is a PD mentioned as a party of Sushant's dream team. Sushant refers to PD in his dream team. Was that reference to you?
Yes, Arnab is referred to me, of course. All my friends call me PD. You are absolutely correct.
Which means you must be incredibly close to him.
Yeah, the legacy of our friendship goes back to the year 2000, 2001 when I was in Delhi University and he was a student preparing to get into the engineering. So we have been quite close since long.
Pankaj, you have said he was of sound mind.
Yes.
But a whole PR machinery has been spread and they've been saying that he thinks completely to the contrary. I want your experience. I want you to tell me why you feel so.
So actually, our association, when we shifted to Mumbai from Delhi, and by then he had become he had started working in film. He was already a star on television. So when we started meeting, we used to have a lot of brainstorming sessions on different ideas, different scripts, different stories, what all to be planned for the years and decades to come. I never felt that he had any issues with his mind or I never felt during my meetings that he had any issue of depression. Though my meetings were restricted till the first quarter of last year, after which the access got limited. And but by then, when we were directly in touch...
Access limited because you couldn't talk to him?
Yes, because, the phone number got changed, and then we got a feeling that if you want to reach out to him, you have to reach out through Riya Chakravarti, which was slightly awkward for all of us to get through her all the time, and you may not get the right information also. So it went on reducing after April of 2019, I remember. Arnab.
Yeah. I want to go back once to Ganesh. Ganesh,
Yes.
नाम लिए बिना, मेरी बात सुनिए, क्योंकि
जी, जी,
इसमें
I understand.
नाम लिए बिना, without taking names, you have been told, आपको कहा गया है कि 13 तारीख को 5-6 लोग उनके घर गए थे. अब सीसीटीवी
Right.
फुटेज मिसिंग है. मैं सिर्फ आपको एक सवाल पूछूंगा, आप हाँ और ना में जवाब दें मुझे.
जी.
इन 5-6 लोगों के नाम भी आपको बताए गए थे, हाँ या ना?
हाँ.
दूसरा सवाल, इन 5-6 लोगों में से सब फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के थे, हाँ या ना?
नहीं, सब फिल्म इंडस्ट्री नहीं.
तीसरा सवाल, इन 5-6 लोगों में से कोई पॉलिटिक्स से थे?
ये मुझे क्लियर नहीं बताया गया पॉलिटिक्स से है, क्योंकि
मगर आप कह रहे सब फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के नहीं थे.
सब फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से नहीं.
और जिन्होंने आपको ये बताया उनको बखूबी ये बात संदीप सिंह ने कही.
यस.
Viewers, just watch this. Shreya, then the first person, elementary thing which comes to mind, Shreya on the right, is that the first person who should have been called for investigation in a very deep way, even now, should be Sandeep Singh.
Absolutely. But Sandeep Singh came on your show, and when you questioned him, he refused to speak anything. Not only that, he said that he does not know anything. And this can be used as evidence against him that this person is not reliable. And even if CBI asks, CBI cannot use him as a reliable source, because this person has been saying different things. The same with Siddesh Patani. So Sandeep Singh has been actually wasting the time of the justice system. He's been fooling the justice system, and he will, once CBI comes into the picture, I think he'll have to pay for fooling the justice system, because you are complicit
what is clear
in it.
Here, Shreya, is that what is clear to me, Nilotpal, is that so many people cannot be giving out the same story.
Sir, during COVID, everyone is very much, care about their life. No one has called him, and how suddenly he appears there, I don't know. What was the hurry to reach there? Was there something he doesn't want to show anyone? I told you in the first debate when I joined you that if something had happened, why they didn't break the door? Why they called sister? What had happened? What time he woke up? If there was party, there was no party. What time they woke up? And what was the thing they wanted to show to the sister?
Also, there is a lady whose picture came in to whom Dipesh gives a bag.
True, sir. True. I saw that there is a blue color t-shirt lady, sleeveless t-shirt.
There's a lady in a blue t-shirt who takes a bag from Dipesh.
Sir, true, sir.
Her face is not visible.
Yes, true.
Who is this lady and what bag is Dipesh giving her?
Sir, I was at the funeral. I know the ambulance guy spoke to me because he was telling me that he went to Cooper and then he is very tired. He has been come to cremation center. So I know one guy, and this Dipesh was very much similar, slim guy like him. But I will like to add you here, sir, about the depression theory also. The Mahesh Bhatt, starting from Parveen Bobby.
Yeah.
Zia Khan. Sir, let me talk first. Let me talk first.
The verdict will be out on Monday, and then most likely
we are discussing it.
The investigation may be transferred.
Okay, let me talk.
I think now this kind of investigation should be carried out by a reliable investigating agency rather than bringing such witnesses on television. You know. Probably this will
No, 1 minute. You don't stop them. Let them speak. Vikas, that's your opinion. Thank you. Move on. I reject your view.
No, Vikas.
Now goes Surendra Chauhan.
Here the editor-in-chief of our national TV is becoming an investigating officer, top cop. Very good. I must clap.
Thank you. Thank you. Now move on.
What's the harm? He can.
I just want to ask you.
It's his talent. What's the problem? It's his talent. What's the problem? Anyone has to stop you? You do? If he is doing what
you people are interfering in the administration of justice. It's a duty of CBI from Bihar side and the Mumbai police. You have no business. You cannot run a media trial. Sorry. You cannot run a media trial.
Well, I will run whatever trial I want.
In this country.
Shreya.
You are playing with the sentiments.
I would really like to know that why do you think media came into the picture in the first place? If Mumbai police did its investigation properly, do you think that media would come into the picture?
Nothing else.
Thank you, Surendra Chauhan. Thank you.
Mumbai police has
Thank you for your views. I'll move on. Tuhin is on the debate. 1 minute. Tuhin, if you look at the debate so far, Thank you. Just wait. Another piece of evidence which emerges to him is that of a lady who takes a bag from Dipesh. One. Secondly...
Can the blabbering club just keep shut for some time? Yeah.
Okay. Go on, Tuhin.
You know, it's been a while. I need some time. Yeah. So Arnab, after 2 months of relentless botch-ups, the only entity which seems to be in serious depression is the Maharashtra government, which today owes an apology not just to the family of Sushant Singh Rajput, but to the entire country. Now, you know, the ferocious attempts to stall CBI does not necessarily have to do only with this murder. But my information says, and I'm in touch with a lot of people from the industry, there is a larger scandal which is waiting to explode. And that is what is making the entire political dispensation very jittery. Now, Pankaj is over here. Pankaj is a good friend of mine, and I have been in touch with other good friends of Sushant Singh Rajput. I need 30 seconds. See, the entire plan starting April 2019 onwards had a monitor designed to it with certain timelines. In the first month, you know, the idea was to create a wedge between Sushant Singh Rajput and other family members. Month 2, to step into the live-in relationship. Month 3, to take complete control over the finances, professional decisions, to change the stuff. But the most important part, Arnab, which also you need to investigate, is the month of October, where 28 days they were away in Europe, and something mysterious has happened, post which November onwards, everybody believes that Sushant Singh Rajput was a different entity. Was he blackmailed from there onwards? There are larger issues which need to be addressed over here, and you know, it seems that there is some protection which this scandal is getting from certain people in Bollywood, which includes the cream of Bollywood and some people in politics. That needs to be seriously explored, and not just the murder on that day.
Well, I mean, the view here which emerges is of political protection. Rahul, you're giving a response, but I can't hear you at all.
Those who want to disclose important details, just one request. This is important, because when a friend is telling, we should all listen without prejudice. But he should take the courage to go to police, and if CBI comes to CBI, to also give inputs. And it is our responsibility
Rahul,
to see
he has said 1 minute. Rahul, he has already said. Thank you, Rahul.
Police and CBI.
Rahul, Shreya is responding to you. Shreya.
They all wanted to go to police, Mr. Ishwar, but nobody wanted to take their statement. So it's not as if people do not want to go and talk about it. All
they can give it in writing.
They want to
because
go.
whatever we are saying is important.
To whom? To whom?
See,
Where
media,
you give it?
Media disclosure is important, but they can give it in writing to police. They can give it in writing to police.
Rahul, I have already heard from Ganesh, and Ganesh has said on record that he is willing to share this information with the CBI. He does not need your encouragement for that. But today, the unfortunate reality is the Mumbai police has lost all credibility.
Legal bound to do that.
Jayanti, can you force somebody to go to a police force which is itself suspect? Can you do that?
I don't think so. I think the whole scenario, this depressive theory and the suicide, it's all botched up. We have seen this kind of thing happening before also with the investigation in case of Peter Mukherjee's case. Though there was no suicide, there was a murder. And here again, the question is, when you investigate a crime scene, you definitely have certain protocol, and the most crucial component while investigating a crime scene is the photography, the photographic evidences, which in this case is not there. Secondly, the prime suspect has not been questioned ever by the police. Rather, police is having a friendly dialogue with that. This is very unfortunate. Now, if you look at this Sushant Singh's pre-morbid personality, everybody is saying he was not a person of depressive mentality. The depression component was not there. The kind of synergy he maintains, the kind of organized future components he's been working out for, the interest he has in astronomy certainly does not conform to the suicide theory. And thirdly, whenever a patient is contemplating suicide, the patient is talking about it, or, the willpower is totally down. In this case, it's not evident at all. And then secondly, the boy who is taking the juice or whatever, like he's been going on with his daily routine, and never he complained that he is having depression or he is contemplating suicide. All of a sudden, how can he commit suicide like this? And in case, like the theories we've been hearing, I must congratulate you. You were the only one who's been working so hard, and shades of the inquiry. I've been teaching professional investigations to the professional CBI as well as police, and I tell you, the interrogation should have been started with the suspects. The vulnerable suspects should have been taken, and you cannot sort of have a dialogue, kind of a friendly rapport, friendly interaction with the suspects. Now, the whole delay, the fact that they have not even submitted the evidences which should have gone to the forensic department, the mobile phone, the other accessories, and they have never bothered about it. The whole thing is centering around the delaying tactic, so you get time to destroy all the evidences. Now, as far as CBI is concerned, why some people raised in your program also that CBI doesn't do a good job, but definitely investigating organization of a state where the files are deleted and the photographic evidences are not there. You don't even follow a protocol for conducting post-mortem. Why should we trust the investigation to them? Why not to CBI?
Yeah,
and
see, Jayanti,
what is the motive?
Jayanti, this whole depression theory comes out in two parts.
It's all humbug.
Interestingly,
it's all humbug.
The first part, I'd like Fauzia and Saira to come in. It's humbug for sure, but it comes in two parts, so it's planned. The first part is immediately when the Mumbai police tells the world he's committed suicide. So first part is Mahesh Bhatt, Mukesh Bhatt, Karan Johar. Okay. All these people start saying that he was depressed, he was depressive, he was suicidal. Then a second wave comes. In the second wave, Saira, Swara Bhaskar, all the pro-Riya Chakrabarti group comes out now. Now the pro-Riya Chakrabarti group is Hafiz Saeed's favorite Indian journalist. Swara Bhaskar. All these people now start, that's the second wave. Now these two waves are part of a PR machinery. If you ask me, I believe today, Fauzia, and Saira, that all these people should issue a public apology, they and their sidekicks.
Okay, so I
the
agree
top
with
bosses
you,
of the PR machinery and the sidekicks.
It's a little
Will Mahesh Bhatt apologize?
To call it a
Will Mahesh Bhatt apologize?
Because right now
will the PR machinery who call this a suicide theory apologize? Shouldn't the source of all this information be investigated? Was it spicy or non-spicy PR?
See, it's a very unfortunate episode.
I am asking you. No, don't tell me unfortunate. What is unfortunate is that some people went to social media and said it is Parveen Babi all over again.
Mourning over his death. Everyone is mourning over his death. But at the same time, it's unfortunate if you're going to actually hold a kangaroo court or run a media trial, because
I don't need your views on my debate. You answer my question.
Today there is a breaking news that Sushant was paying the EMIs for his ex-girlfriend's apartment, Ankita's apartment.
So what?
There's a breaking news every day.
So what? So what?
So what I'm saying is we can't
So what? How is that connected? So what? So what?
Till the investigation.
Fauzia, I mean, I never.
Because we are not a kangaroo court here. We are not a kangaroo court, and at the same time, we cannot trivialize mental health at the same time.
We talk of a larger nexus. In an article, there is one person, a particular PR professional lady, who it is believed is the favorite of this Bollywood mafia. In an article was described as having proved her mettle as a trusted psychiatrist, she finds herself on the speed dial on several celebrities. What was this person doing? Is this the person who introduced Riya to Sushant? Is this the person who plants the stories? Is this the person part of a nexus? The person I'm talking about is a top-level publicist. And I think the correct thing is what Tuhin said, that there is a larger nexus which is to be exposed here. Fauzia, please speak up. Should all the people who push the suicide theory issue a formal national apology?
See, I've been on this debate for 5 shows, 4 or 5 episodes, but the same thing I will say here, what I've been saying before, that because of 2 people, 3 people who must have tortured Sushant
If you look at the headlines of 21st July, one minute, I'll tell you one thing. No, 1 minute. I'll tell you how it works. I'll tell you how it works. 14 July, on 14 July, 1 minute, on 14 July, there is a 1,199 second phone call between Siddharth Pitani and Riya. Okay?
Yeah.
Now, second point.
Pitani should have been arrested day 1.
On 21st July.
See, I think the
on
people
21st July.
At his house, they need to be investigated.
Can I complete my point?
The people who were staying in Sushant's house.
Can I complete my point?
Because the whole episode is mysterious. And
can I complete my point? Can I complete my point? Can I complete my point? Saira, 1 minute. On the 21st of July.
But at the same time, Arnab, I'm requesting you, let's not trivialize, let's put everyone into account. Whoever was associated with this life, at the same time, let's not...
Can I be told when was the Kangana interview?
Because we know that in the pandemic, the mental health issues are also multiplying. It is getting aggravated. I'm not saying that he had mental health issues. What I'm saying is we need to investigate that chapter as well. Who had stopped the medicine?
No, but that's the point, Arnab, that starting last November, in all likelihood, he was drugged and made to believe that there are mental issues when there were none. He was blackmailed into believing that there were mental issues when there were none.
Look at Kurt Cobain, look at Virginia Woolf.
I want to tell you today, Tuhin, 1 minute, Tuhin, 1 minute. If Saira is quiet, I'll be able to make my point. If Saira wants to shout and shout and shout and shout and shout and repeat herself and look aggrieved, it does not work. Now listen to me, Saira, I have some information. 18th July, everything changed. Till 18th July, everything was hunky-dory, Shreya. Till 18th July, there was some, the matter was not even being investigated, it was suicide. After 18th July, when Kangana went public and the matter went viral, 18th was a Saturday, if I'm not mistaken, 9 o'clock was the first airing of the interview. And the interview continued to make news for 4 or 5 days after that. On the 21st of July, my information is, spicy or non-spicy PR, I don't know what variety it is, but one PR group got into it. And on 21st July, 8 publications published the same article, like it is a written piece written out by a PR agency given to a publication, publish karo. And you know how the Bollywood mafia is. They're shameless, these so-called journalists. Most of them used to be ex-journalists, now they are chamchas of stars. Chamchas of sidekicks of stars. I know many journalists who used to be journalists, now they are chamchas of sidekicks of stars. That's what they are. They call themselves media professionals. Now listen to me. On the 21st, 8 publications publish a theory that Sushant Singh Rajput had bipolar disorder. Reveals truth about his actor's mental state. Same day, Shreya, hammer and tongs, this spicy or non-spicy PR, I don't know which variety it is, went and got these articles fed to the media. Which means you defamed Sushant. Why did you? Kya छिपा रहे थे? What were you hiding?
Because you cannot, you know...
Don't tell me what I can or cannot do. Answer my question.
Without a proper...
This is the way...
unethical.
This is the way actually things have been working. A lot of things have been working through PR, through spreading news about people, which is not at all true, but the world thinks it's true because PR is the strongest way that Bollywood has been operating. But in this case, thankfully, you know, when things came out, so many things came out. Now, the important thing to note is that before 18th of July, Riya Chakraborty asked for a CBI inquiry. But that was when the focus of investigation was not on her and not on the people who were around when Sushant Singh Rajput died. But after 18th, when Kangana came out, and then after that these articles came out, and then Bihar police comes in around 27-28 and starts coming out with evidences, after which you people got into the act, and now we have a sea of evidence mounting. And thankfully, Uday Gori, who was the manager, he came out, and you guys spoke to Ramesh Taurani, Nikhil Advani, Kumar Mangat, and they said that absolutely they were approaching him for films. He had no depression. They were talking about films. He was asking right questions. So everything was debunked. Everything was debunked. But before 18th, CBI investigation was being asked by accused number 1. But after all these evidences mounted, now nobody wants a CBI investigation, which is odd because now we have all the evidences, and all the people who have come out in public also and spoken, they don't realize that this can be used as evidence. This is admissible in court.
You know why the prime accused has asked for CBI inquiry? You know why she had asked for it? Because she knew that the Maharashtra government would never recommend it, would never allow it. Today, when the centre has decided to go in for CBI inquiry, the same prime accused has a huge problem with it.
You are talking about politics. Previously, Arnav ji, I would like to say something here.
Before you come in, Fauzia, before you come in, I want to ask Ganesh something. Ganesh ji.
It is politics.
Ganesh ji.
No, I told you those people are saying that, yes.
ये जो 5-6 लोगों की बात हो रही है, तो जरा उसको कंप्लीट कीजिए. आपको बताया गया कि 5-6 लोग 13 तारीख को सुशांत के फ्लैट में आए हैं. उसके बाद क्या पता है आपको, क्या हुआ?
उसके बाद जस्ट ये 2 इशू है. या तो 13 तारीख को रात को मर्डर हुआ है, या तो 14 तारीख को सुबह मीन्स वही जो टाइमिंग बताया है. बिकॉज अगर रात को 13 तारीख को हुआ है तो उन्हीं लोगों ने किया जो पार्टी में गए, और अगर 14 को हुआ है तो या तो उन लोगों ने किसी को भेजा है, या तो फिर ये हुआ है.
And why? How come there's no CCTV footage? That is it's.
You should ask the Mumbai police that.
No CCTV footage. There were 5-6 people pottering around the house. Arnab, all the combination.
When the big people is involved,
whoever was
when the big people is involved, there is
whoever visited
they can stop
house,
CCTV.
Everything has to be.
नहीं बोलिए गणेश जी बोलिए.
When the big people is involved, they can off the CCTV footage and all. This is the very small thing for them.
That is what.
Arnab ji, what Ganesh ji is saying.
अंकित बोलिए.
किधर है?
कौन?
किधर है?
क्या किधर है अंकित? बताइए.
सीसीटीवी फुटेज उस दिन बंद क्यों हुआ था? और उन लोग के जो स्टाफ थे किधर गए थे? रिया चक्रवर्ती छोड़ के क्यों गई थी आज उनको? प्यार इसी को बोलते हैं. क्या बताइए? मुझे जान से धमकी की मारने की धमकी दी जा रही है.
किसने दी है? किसने दिया अंकित?
कल परसों मोबाइल में फोन आया था. धमकी दी.
कौन धमकी दे रहा है आपको अंकित?
लड़ रहा हूं मैं उनके लिए, उनके फैमिली के लिए लड़ रहा हूं. उनके फैमिली के लिए लड़ रहा हूं मैं.
कौन धमकी?
जॉब चली गई उनके लिए, मेरे जॉब मेरी चली गई है.
नहीं, किसने धमकी दी है अंकित बताइए. गणेश बताइए, पहले अंकित बताइए क्या धमकी की बात कर रहे हैं. आपको कोई फोन आया, क्या हुआ, किसने धमकी दी?
धमकी में उल्टे सीधे सुबेरे मुझे उल्टे सीधे धमकी आई थी. गाली गलौज से बात किया जा रहा था, मैंने इग्नोर कर दिया. मुझे डर भी लग रहा था, मैंने ब्लॉक करके डिलीट कर दिया. अब मेरे उतने दिमाग में मुझे ख्याल भी नहीं आ रहा था कि क्या हो रहा है इस समय. फिर मुझे मेरे एक SMS भी आया कि उसमें मतलब पब्लिसिटी मत करो, मत ये सब सुशांत को बोलो. मारने के बाद तुमको क्या मिल रहा है?
किस नंबर से
ये सब मुझे धमकी दी जा रही है.
किस नंबर से धमकी आई?
खो दिया हूं. वो मुझे मालूम नहीं, मुझे याद नहीं रहा उस समय. बट उनके लिए मैं जॉब खो दिया, उनके लिए बहुत कुछ खो दिया. अभी भी मैं लड़ रहा हूं, मरते दम तक लड़ूंगा. उस समय 14 जून को 10 बजे से लेकर 2 बजे के बीच दोपहर को क्या हुआ था? उनको मतलब उसके हिसाब क्यों नहीं गए उसके अंदर? ये मेरा क्वेश्चन है. ये रिया चक्रवर्ती क्या बोल रही है? यूरोप में जाके एक पोस्टर देख के उनको डिप्रेशन हो गया. अरे मेरे भाई, और भी तो यूरोप में है, उन लोग भी तो देख रहे हैं. उन लोग को डिप्रेशन नहीं हो रही है? सब मन गढ़ंत बातें हैं सब. वो खुद एक पेंटर थे, पेंटिंग करते थे. मतलब एक भोलेनाथ का एक रुद्र अवतार का पेंटिंग बनाते थे. वो भी पेंटर थे. तो उनको एक पेंटर देख के मतलब उनको क्यों ऐसा लग गया कि डिप्रेशन में है? और भी तो आदमी देख रहे हैं.
गणेश भी कुछ कहना चाहते हैं. हाँ जी गणेश प्लीज.
जी, I know that I am searching about the bipolar disorders. There are 3 major symptoms in the bipolar disorders. They don't know the people who said Sushant is in depressed mood. There are 3 symptoms. One is that the loss of motivation. That's never happened in the videos. You already seen everything. Second thing is that the loss of activity in the regular physical activity. And third is the loss of physical energy. That's already, this is the false thing because you already shown all these things, videos and all. हमने सारे वीडियोस देखे, ये तीनों चीजें उसमें नहीं दिखाई दे रही. तो बायपोलर डिसऑर्डर के बारे में जो सुशांत के बारे में बोल रहे डिप्रेस में है, वो पॉसिबल नहीं है.
That I want to talk.
वो कभी जिंदगी में डिप्रेसिव हो ही नहीं सकते. नहीं, वो कभी जिंदगी में डिप्रेस हो ही नहीं सकते, क्योंकि मैं जानता हूँ उनको. कभी जिंदगी में डिप्रेस हो ही नहीं सकते. ये आने के बाद. अच्छा एक बात बताइए. नहीं एक बात बताइए, महेश भट्ट को उनको क्या बोलने की जरूरत है? उनको कैसे मालूम कि वो सुसाइड करने वाले हैं? कैसे मालूम उनको? आइए पोस्ट मतलब फोटो में देख रहे हैं कि एक रिया चक्रवर्ती और महेश भट्ट एकदम चपके से एकदम फोटो खिंचा रहे हैं. मेरा बुढ़ा का जन्मदिन है, ये क्या बात हुई? उनका बॉयफ्रेंड का डेथ हुआ है, ये हुआ है, तो उनको चपकने की क्या जरूरत थी ये सब में? उनको कैसे मालूम कि वो सुसाइड कर रहे हैं? कैसे मालूम?
ये तो झूठे
ये बोलिए बताइए.
अंकित, ये झूठा प्रचार है अंकित, मेरी बात सुनिए, मैं अर्नब बोल रहा हूँ। ये झूठा प्रचार है और ये इस झूठे प्रचार को हम पर्दाफाश करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं पिछले 2 महीने से। मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि सीबीआई की जांच होगी। और मैं एक और बात कहना चाहता हूँ, हिम्मत बहुत है आप में,
होनी चाहिए सर,
आप में हिम्मत बहुत है और गणेश में भी हिम्मत बहुत है,
होनी चाहिए। मैं सीबीआई का हेल्प
आप लोग आपको
मैं हेल्प करूंगा सीबीआई सर को,
आप करिए,
सीबीआई सर को हेल्प करूंगा, पक्का करूंगा मैं।
और जो धमकी दे रहे हैं आपको वो हमें बताइए। और मैं और एक बात कहना चाहता हूं आज, मैं आई वांट टू टेल द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट एंड द सीबीआई, द होम मिनिस्ट्री as well as the Mumbai police, it is your responsibility to ensure the safety of key people. A man has said on my show, Parambir Singh, wake up or quit. It has been said on my show. I have primary testimonies.
Arnav,
the country has no faith in the Mumbai police. But Ganesh, you must share this information. Yes, Ganesh.
Yeah. So many people, log dhamki dete rahe hai, but they are saying that yes. But they are saying on the application, not the Facebook or the Twitter, they are saying that why you are doing these things. You are the Maharashtrian. You are the part of Maharashtra or something. कुछ मराठी में भी बातें कर रहे हैं। तो और immediately उन लोगों का जो लोगो है फेसबुक के, उसका लोगो है महाराष्ट्र पुलिस का। एंड उनके पास जो उन्होंने जो फीडबैक दिया है, न्यूज फीडबैक जो उनका जो पोस्ट करते हैं, वो 99% शिवसेना का है। और बाद में वो लोग धमकी देने के बाद विदिन जैसा वो रीड का मैसेज आता है उनको कि गणेश ने रीड कर लिया, विदिन 1 मिनट दे डिलीटेड दैट मैसेज। क्या करना क्या चाहते हैं? अगर मैं कहना चाहता हूं उन लोगों को, अगर आप खुद ही डर रहे हो तो डराओगे कैसे मुझे? मैंने तो टेलीविजन पे बोल दिया, मैं जाऊंगा सीबीआई के पास, मैं हेल्प करूंगा सुशांत की। वंस अपॉन अ टाइम इन मुंबई ही सेव माय लाइफ, दैट्स नॉट नाउ माय टर्न, आई विल डू फॉर सुशांत। अगर जान जाती है तो जाए।
राइट, यू आर राइट। जाए, हाँ, हम भी जाए, मतलब मैं भी मर जाऊंगा तब भी मैं जस्टिस दिला के रहूंगा, पक्का।
Well, I think this is admirable. I have to end my program because of want of time. But this is truth, this is bravery and this is courage. और हम जीतेंगे गणेश, हम जीतेंगे. We will take this to its logical conclusion. Viewers, we have brought you innumerable testimonies, sting operations, detailed investigations. Let us pray and hope that after this weekend, the Supreme Court orders a Supreme Court monitored CBI investigation for Sushant. For now, good night and goodbye.